Invoice number V7858. Today is May 3rd, 2023. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace where a gas log is currently installed within this flue. Approximate height will be given at the end of the video inspection. You can see there's a cap currently installed. It does appear to be a 7x11. Proceeding downward with video inspection now. Again, height will be given at the end of this video. There's a gap between the mortar joint. Got a wet spot. Another gap. More gaps. Another gap. More gaps. Another gap in between the mortar joint. Pretty large gap. There's a lot of movement in between that mortar joint. Another gap. Multiple gaps present within this flue so far. Approximately 10 feet down. Another large gap. I got it. Large crack in the flue. You could actually see the crack does have moisture. You see all the moisture that's coming through that crack. All the way down. And that crack tapers off to the left. More moisture present on the other side. Again, another large void with moisture present. Staggered flue tile. Another open mortar joint. Approximately 15 feet down. Cement protruding into the flue. Another area with moisture. More gaps. Another large crack. Let me verify that. This looks like a watermark. 20 feet down. inside the smoke chamber, there's a crack right at that. Of course, can you see the crack?
Yep.
What about now? Yep. There's a crack in the first course of flue tile. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm coming down. Smoke chamber is unparged. All exposed brick. Lots of areas where moisture is infiltrating. We're approximately 25 feet tall inside the firebox. There are areas of separation on the left hand side of the firebox as well. You have large areas of separation going all the way down. Effervescence throughout, crack at the back of the firebox. On the right hand side, you have a lot of moisture infiltration as well. Gap at the gas line. That concludes the video inspection for today. Again, we are 25 feet tall in height. Defects have been observed. Further recommendations to follow.